everyone, welcome back to Gupshup with Khana. This is Khana Khajela reporting. Let's get started with today's topic. So nowadays many brands and companies are trying to get more and more money, are trying to earn as much as they can and trying to get as many sales as they can by telling the customers to persuade yet other customers, and through the scheme they can get a significant amount of cashback or discount or something like that. And this type of scam is known as multi-level marketing scam. So without any further ado, let's get more information about this and let's get started. So Raju was just walking in the park and by chance he met a good friend. They started talking and talked for about half an hour. And then Raju's friend told him about a scheme that he has enrolled into. He said that there is a very good scheme going in this ABC company. What you have to do is purchase products worth 2,000, and once you purchase them, you also have to ask 3 more people to enroll in the scheme. After you enroll 3 people, you will get 3,000 per person that you enroll. Raju said that this is very effortless and very easy, and it's a very good offer and a scheme because I can easily enroll 3 persons and I will get 3,000 on per person after that. They ended up talking for about half an hour. Raju's friend told him that he knows a very good scheme. Raju was very eager to know about this scheme. The friend told that this scheme is of ABC company, and what you have to do is purchase product worth 2,000 something around from that company, and after that you also have to enroll and ask other 3 people to get into the scheme. And after you enroll 3 people, you will get 3,000 rupees per person that you enroll. And you can get a smartphone for around 10,000 on a very big discount once you purchase the items of worth 20,000. After hearing this, Raju was very happy and he said that I'll get a mobile phone and 3,000 per person. That is such a good deal. I don't have to work much, I will get the money from the recruiters. I said, yes Raju, that is why I have recommended the scheme to you. You can enroll, I have the online form right now. First of all, just purchase items worth 2,000 plus and then we can proceed. Raju purchased items, and once he asked 3 people to enroll, he asked even more people so that he can get a commission of 3,000 per person. Now, Raju did everything he was asked for, and he was just waiting for that mobile phone on a huge discount and 3,000 per person that the recruiter had to pay. But Raju didn't receive any payment, and also he lost those 2,000 rupees on the item that he had purchased, and also he lost his 2,000 that he purchased the products for, and he wasted his time on convincing other people get into the scheme. He couldn't even get a smartphone and he was again in despair. So what did we learn from this story? First and the most important point, that you should always verify the authenticity of the multi-level marketing scheme you are enrolling into. Schemes like Ponzi scheme and pyramid schemes are considered illegal in India according to the Direct Selling Guidelines 2016, and you should also check through the Price Cheat and Money Collection Act that was banning it, passed in 1978. Secondly, if the person who is persuading you to enroll into the scheme is a person or a well-known person, politely refuse the person that you don't want to enroll in the scheme. Avoid enrolling into such scheme without verifying. Lastly, if you are a victim of such a scam, do report it to the nearest cybercrime station or to the official government website, that is www.cybercrime.gov.in. We will meet next week. Till then, keep smiling. This will be the conclusion of our today's discussion. To watch more of this content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and we'll keep the videos coming. A KH production.